Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Chris, I'm a videographer, photographer and YouTuber. I make all sorts of videos from product reviews to demos to how-tos to just me sat here talking to you guys about my experiences. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the YC Onion chocolate slider. Now, I've used a lot of sliders in my time, but nothing quite as small as this, and I've got the perfect prop to show you exactly how big it is. So it's about as big as your regular sized beer bottle. So let's talk about some of the things I like about this slider, some of the things I'm not so keen on, and finally, would I recommend buying it? Firstly, I love the fact that there's this wheel on the top. It's really hard to show on camera, but it allows you to change the resistance of the slider so you can make it easier or harder to move. You can even lock it in place. If you're not planning on using the slider for a while and you want to just mount it on a tripod, you can lock that in place and it's not going to go anywhere. Something else that's really nice that you don't see very often is a spirit level, so you know when your shot is level. It's just a really nice touch. The next thing is build quality. This slider is solid as a rock. Its full metal construction means that it's going to withstand pretty much anything you want to throw at it. You can find it for about £90 on eBay. Prices do vary depending on where you're going to be buying this from. And the really nice thing is it comes with this little baggie. So you can just pop your slider in the bag, chuck it into your camera bag and just use it when you need it. The last thing I really like about this slider is the feet are removable. So sometimes when you have a slider mounted in a really funny position, the feet can get in the way. So it's nice to have that option of removing the feet. But then if you want to do a tabletop shot, you can just pop those feet back on and you're ready to go in literally 20 seconds. You can remove those feet. Really nice touch. Okay, so the things I don't like about it, and it's not a very long list, but the first thing is the tripod thread or the camera thread. It's a 3/8 inch. It's the large one. That doesn't really make much sense to me. The people who are going to be using this slider, in my opinion, are people who've got small mirrorless cameras. You're not going to put a really big heavy duty camera on this little slider, although it can take quite a bit of weight. People are going to be using this with light cameras. And you can put a tripod head on it that's got a bigger mounting point, but it just doesn't seem to make sense. Why not give me a small tripod thread so I can put my camera directly on the slider, and then if I want to use a tripod head, I can use an adapter. It's a bit strange. So that's the end of the negatives. They're not deal breakers for me. I think this is a brilliant little slider, and I believe there is a motorized version out as well. I'd love to get my hands on that, try it out, put it through its paces. But as sliders go, this is a really good quality one, as I'm sure you can appreciate from the footage that I've shown you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. This is a really small but mighty slider, and it's going to be living on the tripod that this camera is on for the foreseeable future to get all of my product shots. I'm really, really happy with it. If you decide to buy it, please comment below and let me know what you think about it. Like the video if you like the video, and subscribe so you never miss another episode. I'll see you again really soon.